In this video, I'm going to show you how I transformed a simple product image like this one into a fully AI generated unboxing style video ad like this. So if you have an e-commerce store, this means that you can stop relying on expensive marketing agencies, and either you or anyone in your team can now create amazing product video and ads in minutes. And if you are a freelancer or you are running a marketing agency, you will be able to create a powerful product video ads for your clients in just a few minutes instead of days or even weeks. The process is super easy and anyone can do it, and we are going to do 100% of it with AI using a single tool called SodaMarketing AI. I didn't shoot anything, I didn't hire anyone. This ad was generated in just 5 minutes using AI. In this tutorial, I will walk you step by step through the exact process I use, even if you have never created a video ad before. But before we jump in, here is why this matters. A few months ago, we used to say that AI was capable of creating a decent promotion content, something similar to what a team of designers, editors, and creative directors could create. But things have changed a lot. Now, AI isn't just matching the quality of the creative team, it's outperforming them, and we are still just getting started. So, if you are running a business and selling any kind of product or service, and you are not yet using AI to create your marketing content, you are already failing behind. And if you are working in marketing, content creation, ad production, or run an agency, and you are still relying on traditional expensive methods to create client content and ads, you are seriously behind. Because the truth is, anyone who does not master AI tool is going to be out of the game, not in years, but in just a few months. Now, let's get into it. Step 1. Head over to SodaMarketing AI. You will find the link in the video description below. Once you signed up, the first thing you need to do is to create a brand or your client's brand. Just go to Brands tab, click Create Brand, then enter the brand details like the name, industry, and upload the logo, then hit Create. I already have a brand set up, so I will skip this step. Once your brand is ready, go to the Train AI product section. Type the product name you want to promote in the product name field. Then select the brand you just created from the drop down. Since this product is a wristwatch, which is a wearable item, we will leave the wearable product option set to yes. Next, upload all the product images here and click Train AI product. Once the training is completed, now SodaMarketing AI has been trained on your product, and you can generate unlimited creatives for this product like what we are going to see now. So once the training completed, click on Generate, or you can go directly to AI product video and image ads. Choose your desired image size. This will also determine the size of your video. For example, this video is going to be used for TikTok ads, Instagram Reels, and the vertical placements. So I will choose the 9:16 format. Then I'll select the prompting option here. This is what allows us to generate new stunning product images just by writing a simple prompt. And now I will jump over to ChatGPT. Now I'm going to ask ChatGPT to give me a prompt to generate an image of a wristwatch placed inside a luxurious open box. And just like always, ChatGPT instantly gave me a ready-to-use prompt. I copy that prompt, then I go back to SodaMarketing AI, paste the prompt inside the field, and turn off the Enhance My Prompt option because this prompt is already enhanced. And in less than a minute, SodaMarketing AI gives me a stunning image for my product with every detail perfectly rendered. No glitches, no mistakes, just pure visual quality. Just like what you are seeing on the screen right now. Now, let's turn this image into a stunning video. I click on Convert to Video, and from here, I can instantly turn this product image into a high quality animated video in just a few minutes. Next, I go back to ChatGPT, and this time I ask it to generate a prompt that turned the image into an unboxing style video ad. Within seconds, it gives me a great video prompt. I copy that prompt, go back into SodaMarketing AI, paste it into the prompt field, and click Next, Enhance My Prompt. But since I already have a solid prompt, I will just paste it again to keep it as is. I will just paste the original prompt I got from ChatGPT again here, skipping the enhanced version. Then I click Generate, wait for a few moments. And just like that, I get a stunning animated video of my product ready to go. This will be my first scene in the video app. So I go ahead and click download to save it. Now, let's move on to creating the second scene in our video app. I go back to ChatGPT again. This time, I will tell it I already have the first video scene ready and I want to create a second scene that will also act as the final scene in my video app. I ask ChatGPT to give me two prompts, one for the image and one to turn that image into a video. Of course, within seconds, ChatGPT gives me exactly what I need. One prompt to generate the image ad and another one to turn that image ad into a video scene. Let's generate the second image now. I copy the image prompt and go back to SodaMarketing AI. This time, I click reset all to start a fresh session. Then I repeat the exact same steps. Select the image size, same 19:16 format. Choose the product from the drop down. Select the prompting option. Paste the prompt from ChatGPT. Turn off the enhance prompt toggle and click generate. Wait a few moments and just like before, I now have another beautiful high quality product image with every detail rendered perfectly. Let's turn that second image into a video. Click convert to video, then go back to ChatGPT and copy the second video prompt. Return to SodaMarketing AI and paste the prompt just like we did before. Click next, then paste the same prompt again to skip the enhanced version and hit generate. Wait a few minutes. And now I have got a second high converting animated video scene for my product again, completely AI generated in minutes and without any mistakes or errors. The video looks stunning and super professional. So I will go ahead and click download to save the video to my device. Now I want to combine both video clips into one complete ad. I will open CapCut or any video editing software you prefer. Then simply add the two video clips back to back on the timeline just like that. Now we have got a smooth continuous ad made up of two scenes. But there is one final touch we need, and that's adding a background music track to bring the whole ad to life and make it even more impactful. Let's find the right music track. I head back to ChatGPT, ask it for some keywords to help me find the perfect music track for my ad. And just like that, it gives me a few ideas for music tracks and mood that match the tone of my video. I pick one of the suggested keywords, then I go to Pixipay Music to find the royalty-free music I can use without any copyright issues. This means I can safely use the ad on all the social media platforms. I paste the keyword into the search bar and start previewing the available tracks. I pick the one I like the most and click download to save it to my device. Back to CapCut, I add the track under the video on the timeline. Next, I trim the audio so it ends exactly when the video ends. Then I apply a fade out effect at the end of the track to make the ad finish smoothly and professionally. Finally, I click export to render the final video. And here is the result, a professional, fully polished video ad built from scratch using SodaMarketing AI. Now, I can upload this video directly to any social media platform, especially TikTok and Instagram Reels. I can also use it in my paid ad campaigns across all platforms. The big advantage, creating videos like this used to take days or weeks, plus a lot of money, a big team and lots of tools. But with SodaMarketing AI, as you have just seen, it takes only minutes. No design team, no cameras, no editing crew. To help you fully take advantage of this powerful tool, here is a simple strategy. If you own an e-commerce store, you can easily create 4 videos like this every day, each one for a different product. That's exactly what I did. This video took me just 15 minutes to complete. Just imagine the impact if you consistently post 3 or 4 videos plus 3 or 4 images per day for your brand. The result, massive reach, more engagement, and a major boost in sales. The more creative and consistent you get, the more people will notice and interact with your brand, and that translate directly into sales and revenue. Don't forget to check out the links in the video description, and if you find this video helpful, hit like and share so others can benefit too. And if you are not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit the subscribe and turn on the notification bell. I have got a powerful new videos coming your way and you won't find it anywhere else. Thank you so much for watching. This was Yasser Sleep. See you in the next video.